Hi guys. Uh, did it ever happen to you that your Google Ads campaign spends a lot more than the budget you originally set it to spend? Uh, Due to Google's policies, Google is allowed to spend 100% of your daily budget during the certain day and uh, to spend up to 30 times daily budget, 30.4 times daily budget in a period of 1 month. So, which evens out. This means that if they overspend one day, they'll need to underspend the following days to keep it at the same spending level. So I had something interesting happen to me that I wanted to share with you guys, and hopefully it will help you if similar things come up with your campaigns. So let me show you. This is a client that has a pretty limited daily budget of something like $30. And if you see, in one day they spend over $300. So if we find this is the campaign uh, that overspent that day, so it spent 282. Let's just select that campaign and see how much it spent that day. Yes, so it spent $238 in one day, even though the daily budget is set to $5 per day. So the budget was not changed. So what happened here? It turns out that Google sometimes pushes a lot more traffic to certain campaigns with intent to, I don't know, gather data or try to get some results to your campaigns or whatever, and they get you clicks, 258 clicks in the value of certain amount of dollars, in our case over $200. So what actually happened here? If you go to reports tab up there and go to others and build cost report. So let me just go back for a second and find the day. So this all happened on April 1st. Yeah, April's Fool's Day, so maybe it was a joke. If we go to other and bill and cost report, you will find, select just April 1st. Yes, so served cost $277 and actual billed cost $10. What this means is that in the end of the month, when the billing period comes, they will bill you for this day just $10, not the amount that the Google Ads console is showing you. So they will not bill us for this $277. I thought this is useful to share with you. So when the client sees that certain campaigns spend that much, they don't fire you immediately because you're not paying attention. You can always check the report and see if this was actually the amount that is going to be billed to them. So I usually create a short email explaining the situation, so they are aware that on the end of the month they will be just billed $10, even though the campaign budget is set to 5. Like I said in the beginning of the video, Google is allowed to bill 100% more than the budget you set, daily budget you set. So $10, it will even out by the end of the month, so the average bill will be around $5. So hopefully this is helpful and you guys don't get into trouble with your clients and have better understanding on what's happening in the account. That's it. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.